In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block fingerprinting in Brave browser. Fingerprinting is a tracking technique that builds a unique profile of your device using things like your browser version, system fonts, and screen size. Even without cookies, this can follow you across the web. Brave includes built-in protections to reduce this kind of tracking, and I'll walk you through how to turn them on. First, open your Brave browser. Give it a moment to load your homepage or a new tab. If you haven't updated in a while, it's a good idea to keep Brave current so you get the latest privacy protections and fixes. Next, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-line menu icon. This is sometimes called the hamburger menu, and it opens up your main controls. If you're on a device where menus look a bit different, just look for the menu icon in that same area. From that menu, click Settings. This opens Brave's main preferences page, where you can customize privacy, security, and appearance. We'll focus on the privacy tools here, so don't worry about the other options for now. In the left-hand sidebar of the Settings page, click Shields. Shields is Brave's built-in protection system that blocks ads, trackers, cross-site cookies, and more. The settings here apply globally to all sites, and you can still override them per site later if needed. Now, scroll to find the option labeled Block Fingerprinting. You'll see a toggle next to it. Click the toggle so that the feature is enabled. When it's on, Brave will actively block or randomize certain signals that sites use to fingerprint you, which helps protect your privacy. If the toggle is off, those protections are disabled, which can improve compatibility but leaves you more exposed to tracking. For most people, keeping block fingerprinting on is the right balance for everyday browsing. A quick tip: if a particular website doesn't load correctly or asks you to turn off protections, you don't have to change your global setting. Instead, click the Brave Shields icon next to the address bar on that site and adjust protections just for that page. This lets you keep strong privacy defaults while making exceptions only when necessary. That's it. You opened Brave, went into the menu, opened Settings, selected Shields, and enabled block fingerprinting. With this in place, Brave will work to reduce the ways sites can uniquely identify your browser, giving you a more private browsing experience without extra extensions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy safer, more private browsing with Brave.